Yes, good day guys. Today is December 23rd. It's -6 outside and the weather is so bad and the snow is blowing. I think it's throughout the day until night. And then a lot of people stay in their houses now. Maybe they do some cooking for sure. And a lot of drivers doesn't go out because of the weather condition. So I may think about it if I go outside to make some deliveries. Yes, so let's do it and make some money.
In 300 meters, make a right turn on Cartwright Avenue.
So this is the weather, guys. Yes, too much snow, eh? Okay, we're picking up our first order now. Yes, we have our first pickup, guys. Wow, the snow. See that? Yes, we got nice order now. Okay, let's go in. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. I have Celine. Uber. Celine. 8 items. It's a big order, I think. All those 3? Wow. Okay. Yes. 3. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Yep. Appreciate it. Okay. Wow. Yeah, guys, this is our second pickup. Okay. Yes, our second pickup. It's Popeyes. Yeah, she has only 2 items. Yes. So let's get in here. Pick up the order. Yeah, not too much. No people inside. Hi, good afternoon. I got Uber pickup.
Yeah, what's our number, sir?
Uber number AF32C. Thank you. Yes, got it to order. Yes, I don't know where he is. So he said meet at door. I arrived. Okay. This is the big one. Let's see.
New message from Kayleen C. I'm here in front of the lobby.
Yeah, she's at the front of the lobby. Yes. Hi, good morning. It's a big order. I'm gonna go inside because
It's better for you?
yeah, okay. So we're here. Oh, let's go inside because yes. So yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
So I think this is
Right?
huh?
Kalin, right?
Yeah, yeah, Celine, yeah. Easy.
Yeah, yeah.
You got a name. Can handle it? It's big. It's okay.
Okay, yeah. It's going to
Maybe
be okay.
it's hard. Yeah, be careful, okay?
It's 3 bags, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you put it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye. Yes, okay, that's it. Yeah, this one here. Okay. Hello? Yeah, it's an Uber Eats delivery. You want to leave the food here? It's a lot of snow. Is it okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Okay, I gotta put it outside. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Make a left turn.
This is Harvest,
Make a
and
left
the other
turn.
one is
Then pick up on the left.
Burritos and Marley. So they give me $16, and that's 6 kilometers something. So I forgot to screenshot. Anyway, I have my record with 2 orders, so let's go get it. Yes. Hi, Uber for Sandra. Hi, boss. Sandra.
Ha? AED 05 boss. This one.
Salamat.
Kabayan.
Oo, mahirap bumiyahe. Ay, ano ngayon eh, snow eh. Pangalawang order. Nag-aantay ako ng tiyaga na. Kailangan natin ng pera, ano?
Alipin tayo ng bulyar ngayon.
Oo, sige. Salamat ha.
Merry Christmas,
Okay. Got a first order, guys. So, we're going now to our second order. It's burrito boss. It's from Marley. Yes, got it. Yes, guys, I show you now. Okay, so what I got now is $42.34. See, so the one customer I delivered before, it says $31 for 2 orders. So the first customer, he tipped me 18 bucks. So now it becomes 42. Okay, let's go.
Pick up on the right.
Hello, boss. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Long time I never pick. Huh? Long time no see. You know me. Huh? You have a good memory. Eh?
How are you?
9. I'm good. 93D 75.
75, yeah, 2 minutes.
It's hard to deliver. Not too much driver now.
Very hard, huh?
Snow. So it's cooking yet?
No, finish.
Oh, finish. Okay. So how many over now? So far you got the order.
Order, only one order I got today.
This is the one I got.
This is the one order. The first one.
Anyway.
Because this method nobody ordered.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, see you, man. Yes. Yeah, thank you. So, yes, my first drop-off order. Yes, I parked my car a little bit far because it's hard to park that area. I don't have a place to park. Oh, wow. The wind is so strong. Minutes? Okay, there, put
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it.
How the roads, brother? How the roads?
Wow, it's terrible, man. Yeah, a few drivers are driving now because you know.
Yeah, you gotta feed your family and do your work, but
Yeah,
it's
I know.
bad.
The pay is okay now, but the road is.
You gotta go
Bah.
careful.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, man. Yes.
Tonight it's gonna get probably worse.
Yeah, it's big continuously. How are you? It's for Sandra G, right?
Yep.
Okay. Did you? Goodbye. Okay, thanks. Okay, that's it. Yes, see that snowstorm? Oh my goodness. So I have to pick up the first pickup we have. It's pizza, guys. So now wind is too much. Not too much driver today, see? Oh my God. Yes. The wind almost carried me out. Nice. Bus is empty, not too much people going outside. So we're here now. Okay. Hello, Uber pickup. It's Celine, yeah. Boss, I park my car in the back. It's okay, eh?
It's okay. It's
Because,
okay.
you know, we're... This. Uber busy for you guys? Lot of order? No.
Yeah, busy, but
Yeah.
no drivers.
You know, I'm only one maybe. It's good. What is?
You use GoPro for
Yes,
delivery?
yeah. A vlog. I'm doing vlog. You know YouTube vlog?
Yeah, what's the name?
Maybe you're in the YouTube, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
if you want, why not? Yeah. Here. It's all about Uber I did. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Edwin
Baligasa. When it show it, just press, that's it.
Baligasa.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Subscribe, man. Thank you. Once in a while you watch, eh?
Yeah.
Now it's okay, you're in the vlog? Yeah, I gonna make a video. Maybe tomorrow I post, eh?
Yeah.
Because how you gonna say? Say hi.
Hi,
Yeah.
hi everyone. Subscribe to Edwin.
Yes, thank you, buddy. Wow. Okay. What am I gonna do? Yeah. Yes. Yes, our second pickup now. It's what restaurant is this? Church Chicken. Yes, it's Church Chicken. So this is our last pickup for the second order. It's a third request now.
Make a
So
right.
every
Continue
request,
with
I got
the
2
way,
orders.
then
So
pick up on the right.
we have 6 deliveries in all if I done this one. Waiting for the basket. Oh. Almost. Okay. Slide then. When you go on, eh? Fuck, man. You should put something there. So I almost broke my knee. Oh my god. Maybe you put something matte. Yeah. Put something matte. Because when you go like this, matte or no salt, just matte.
You're Filipino or Dominican?
Filipino ako eh.
Filipino ako.
Oo, eh. Dito ka trabaho? Asan ka ba?
Kumakain ako, naghantin ng pagkain namin.
Oo. Deliver ako. I have to pick up Uber for Tracy. Tracy. Door is danger, eh? I slide, I almost broke my knee. But you have to put some mat. Yeah, it goes like this. Is that?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Put some cardboard, whatever.
Yeah, kasi... Sige, pre. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I almost broke my knee here, guys. See this one? Yeah, it's so slippery. Wow. Goodness. Yeah, let's go.
Make a right turn on Dinavore Road.
So the customer is there. She's waiting. Hard to walk. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, it's here. Let me grab this one. Still in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful, eh? Okay, enjoy your
Thank you
food.
so much.
You're welcome. Bye. Okay.
Drop off on the right.
Ring the doorbell. Good. Take picture. Boom. That's it.